Welcome back. A truck loaded with coal turtled at Gandhinagar on Monday. Driver of the truck had a miraculous escape. Driver claims that the truck turtled due to failure of the handbrake.
Have a look at this truck. It got turtled early morning on Monday. The truck was loaded with coal. The truck was supposed to move with the load to its destination. Driver of the truck had a miraculous escape. The truck slipped down to the residential area. Fortunately, no one got injured.
तो सुबह में हम लोग को जाने का था 7 बजे। आया, गाड़ी स्टार्ट मारा, एयर भरा। एयर भरने के टाइम में गाड़ी में थोड़ा आवाज़ आ रहा था तो मैं साइड से आया चेक करने को गाड़ी की। तो उसका हैंड ब्रेक जो था गड़बड़ था, फेल था उसका। एयर शायद रुका नहीं, गाड़ी बाद में जाने लगा जब वो, मैं घूम के गया वापसी में। गाड़ी का दरवाज़ा पकड़ा और उस पर चढ़ने का कोशिश किया। कुछ लोग देखा भी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। तो जब भी पीछे का टायर उसका बैलेंस गड़बड़ हुआ, मतलब नीचे उतर गया वो। उसके टाइम में मैं गाड़ी के ऊपर चढ़ा नहीं, नीचे उतर गया। फिर जाके गाड़ी उधर जाके पलटी हुआ।
गाड़ी में लोड था क्या?
हाँ, गाड़ी
क्या
लोड
था माल?
कोयला। A reporter from Gandhinagar, Surendra Madgaikar.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has charged the BJP of having a systematic plan to suppress Bahujansamaj from gaining prominence in Goan politics. He gave an instance of BJP targeting specifically Ravi Naik in the Congress.
What they do with respect to their MP Sripad Naik, they do not want to raise the head of Bahujansamaj within their party. This attempt was made by them earlier also in Congress party too. Whenever they were targeting our leaders, they were targeting prominently Mr. Ravi Naik.
After a long silence, finally Congress has officially reacted to BJP's Janasamprak Abhiyan and poll campaign. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik held a press briefing in Panaji on Monday. Congress MP is confident of Congress getting a majority on its own. He says NCP would be an additional force. He raised question over the cancellation of Good Friday public holiday during BJP government's tenure.
What justification they will give for cancellation of Good Friday holiday, Old Goa Feast holiday to the minority committee? The acts of their members of satellite organizations, of demolition of chapels, molestation of nuns, harassment of the members of minority committees in Karnataka and other states.
Naik claims that BJP does not have any achievements of its own. Saffron Party relies on negative politics of split in Congress votes. He feels that calling Narendra Modi for campaign will have an adverse effect on BJP.
Why Mr. Modi, who is not even wanted by some other allies of BJP or NDA, so to say, is being brought to Goa, a small state, speaks volumes of their inner intention.
Our reporter from Panaji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Another member of Zagrut Goenkaranso Ekwot has now complained of an attack. Damien Teles from Kandoli says that some miscreants vandalized his vehicle parked outside his house. Some days back, one of his candidates for Kumbarzwe, Father Bismarck Dias, had also complained of an attack at his residence.
Damien Teles has been actively voicing his protest against illegal activities in Kandolim. Now he says some miscreants have damaged his vehicles at around 3 a.m. on Monday morning.
गेले पावटी 2006 डिसेंबरान तेन्ना असोच हांव म्हाजो आवाज उठयता म्हणून इल्लिगल हिल कटिंगाचेर तशेंच इल्लिगल घरांचेर आनी हेर दुसऱ्या वस्तूंचेर इल्लिगल तेन्ना म्हाज्या घराक उजो घातलेलो आनी तेन्ना पळय उजो घातलेलो तेजें इन्वेस्टिगेशन आयज पासून जावना.
The civil society group has vowed not to bow down to such attacks meant to threaten its members.
जागृत गोंयकाराचे एकवटा खाल एक बरो कॅन्डिडेट चूज करपाक तो कालांगूटच्या गांवांत भोंवता आनी तो आपलो फुडाकार जाय ते सगळे विलेजींच्या तेजे कालांगूटच्या मतदारसंघांत जितले विलेजी आसा तितल्या विलेजीच्या लोकांक एक करून तो बरो कॅन्डिडेट जागृत गोंयकारांचो एकवटा खाल दवरपाचो प्रयत्न करता. हे आयच्या राजकारणी जे आसा पळय तांकां ते सहन जावना. ते सोदमता आनी जेणी एटॅक केलो तर जाल्यार हे आमचे जे मनीस आहा ते भियोन फाटी सरतले पूण तेणी स्वप्नान चिंतपाचें ना.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
The old adage goes that don't teach young minds, ignite them. That's what the students of Don Bosco High School are living up to. A science fair showcasing various scientific exhibits is underway at Don Bosco Oratory.
The students of Don Bosco High School, in association with Department of Science and Technology, have organized a science fair. The fair is titled Igniting Minds for a Better Tomorrow and showcases the innovative and creative exhibits put up by the students.
I never expected that it would come to this particular standard. We trusted the boys, we relied on the knowledge, we relied on the talents. And what I see today in the exhibits, really great scientists for tomorrow, who if still further encouraged, will definitely go about making our Goa and definitely this universe something beautiful. What has really come about is children are so enthusiastic outside the class. We can take our teaching just beyond our classrooms. I think minds are enlightened and minds get ignited. And that is what we have experienced, and what I have seen today in this exhibition is something fascinating.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Particularly like that bike in the end. It's time now to take another short break. Stay tuned.